Dental assistants were the backbones of an office, so my students need to leave here 100% confident. The dental assisting program here at Carrington College is a hands-on program. The students spend around 2 hours in the lecture learning a new subject, and then the amazing thing about it is that we go into the classroom and actually touch those items and do everything that they have learned.
Here, during lessons and labs, you learn the actual techniques and what you're supposed to do, and having an instructor that actually knows that field and has been out there, that helps a lot.
You will come in learning everything from chairside assisting and helping a dentist, all the way to head and neck anatomy.
They have the technology that we will be using in the field.
We do a lot of simulation, a lot of scenarios, so that all of our students are prepared to walk out into the world and know what they're doing.
It keeps you focused, and it shows you that you are capable of doing it.
And I've had dentists come up and say, you know, I am seeing amazing things coming out of the program.
My instructor was super informative, the way she explained everything. She had a lot of experience.
My goal as a program director in dental assisting is to make sure that we care 100% about our students' education and their well-being.
Knowing that you have the support of your instructors, it made me sure that I was in good hands coming here.
We have so many resources. We have career services, we have our librarian, we have so many advocates that are here, #1 for the students. And that's why I love Carrington College, because we are a family here.
Knowing that if I just stayed focused and did everything that I was supposed to do, I was going to be done and started working as soon as I was graduated.
I believe our students walk out of here prepared and ready. I want everyone to be satisfied with their education and also get everything out of this that they can. I think we have an amazing program here.